Hello friends, so welcome to episode 20th of JavaScript programming. In the previous episode we have learned how to use the data types numbers and also the several facts on data types number. Now in this episode I will explain the data type string data type JavaScript. So in the data type episode we have understood what is string. So let's say var name equal to this is an string. So string, it can be wrapped within double quotes or single quotes. So let me alert these things. Name. So now refresh, we are getting the alert message. Now you can use wrap the string in single quote also. Now let's refresh, it's working. Now what if you want to use single quote inside your screen? So let's say this single quote. So let me refresh this page. We're getting nothing, we're getting some error. But if you want to display the errors, go to the element and click on console. So here you can see the error. So we can see in line number 7 the error. So let's go to the line number 7. Here is the error. So because we have to end the string, if we started using single quote, end with single quote, but here you can see the gap. So now we have to escape this character using backslash. So now JavaScript will not treat it as single quote, end single quote. So let's go to the page and refresh. So now we are getting the single quote here and the alert is working perfectly. Same thing for double quote. So but inside single quote you can easily use the double quote, no problem. Here you can see, but inside double quote, if you want to use double quote, then you have to escape using backslash. Next thing, like string concatenation. If you want to concatenate one or more string, you can use using plus operator. So let me create two variable fname. Now create another variable lname. Now create full name. Now we want to concatenate these two variable and we want to put a space between fname and lname. So how we will concatenate? So fname, now we will concatenate using plus sign. Now we will give a space. So space, another string. Okay, so you can wrap with double quote or single quote, then lname. So now we have produced that full name. So let me alert. So here we can see with this space, instead of a space you can do whatever you want. So here you can see the concatenation is working, or like that you can also concatenate full name equal to your full name is. Now we want to concatenate, so fname, because this is a variable, so we will not quote this variable. Without quote we will write. Now we will use a space. So that space is not a variable, so we have to quote either double or in using single quote. So like that. So now again we want to concatenate lname. So let me refresh. So here you can see your full name is this one. So in this way you can concatenate string. Next is string length. So how to calculate the length of a string? So var my name. Now next thing, var length equal to my name dot length. So this will calculate the length. So let me refresh this. So here you can see 17. Now you can concatenate value here also in alert. So double quote, and this len is variable, so plus that len, and length is refresh, so length is 17. So this is how you can calculate the length. Next things is search a string inside another string. So search string. So let's say we have a variable var test equal to welcome to my YouTube channel. Now if you want to search a string, so you can search by search, and you also get the position of the string. So position, let's say string, so test is that string. Now dot index of, now you have to give the search value here. So let's say we want to search 2. Now let's alert the position. So let me refresh. Undefined is not a function, is in which line? In 20 number line. So index of, I think this one small, yes. So let me refresh this. So 8. So 2 is in 8 position. So let's go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in 8 position 2 is present. Now here also another 2 is present. So let's refresh. So we are getting the first occurrence. Now what about if you want to get the last occurrence of that search? Or let me test if that string is not exist. So let me refresh. We are getting -1. So if your position value become -1, then you can say that search is not found. So based on this you can take a decision whether the string is found or not. But if you found that word is found, you will get the position number. Okay. So now is what if we want to get the last occurrence. So we can get the last occurrence, so var pos equal to test dot last index of. Now last index of 2. So let me alert this position. So now 22. So this is in the position 22. So we can get the first occurrence and last occurrence for a particular search. So in this way we can search the string inside another string. And also there is another method called search method. We can use that var position equal to test dot search now YouTube. Now alert position. So let me alert. So here we are getting in 14th number. So we can search using index of, last index of, or using search, and we can give alert, or we can do other operations. Now replace content. Suppose we want to replace the content. So let's say var content equal to welcome to Google. Now let me alert this content. Refresh. So welcome to Google. Now suppose if we want to replace that Google with YouTube, so we can do like that content dot replace. Now you have to search, so we will search Google and we will replace with YouTube. Now let me refresh this. Sorry. So here you can see hi, welcome to YouTube. So actually we are replacing Google with YouTube from this string. We can store this in different variable and we can use that variable. So here you can say hi, welcome to YouTube. Next thing is case conversion. That means uppercase to lowercase. So lower to upper or uppercase to lowercase. So we have this content. So let me alert the content. So we have this content, welcome to Google. Now we want to convert it to uppercase. So var test equal to our string, that content, dot to uppercase, to uppercase. So to uppercase it will convert the content, and we are storing in test. Also we can store inside the content, then the main content will modify. So let me refresh. So here you can see hi, welcome to Google, all in capital case or uppercase. Same thing we can do, convert to all lowercase. Convert to lowercase. So var test equal to, so we will convert content dot to or lower case. So let me alert the test. So now refresh. Here you can see everything converted to lowercase. So in this way we can, so what we have covered, so concatenations, you can concatenate multiple string or string with number, we can search, we can replace, we can uppercase, lowercase, and one more important things, that string is an array of character. So let me explain this little bit. So var name, this is an string, but this is a array of character. So if we alert name, we are getting alert, we are getting this name. Now I'm telling that name is a array of character. So let me do this one. So 0 position, so we are getting the B. If we give 1 position, we are getting I. So can you see that string is a array of character, so we can travel throughout the character. So one task for you, let's convert this string to backward. So like I R A K I H D A, then this one. So you can loop through the string and you can convert. So this is your task. Next is, in the previous episode we have seen that number can be an object type. So same thing is string also can be object types. So var string equal to, this is my string. Now alert string. So now let me refresh. Here we are getting. Now what if I like check the type? So type of string. So now if I refresh this page, so we are getting the type is string. So we are getting the type string. Now let me convert this string to an string object. So var, let me scroll this a little bit up. So my str obj equal to new string. Now this is my string. So now let me alert my string object. We are getting the same text, but if you check the type, now here we are getting the object instead of a string. So you can cast your object string to object. So this was a string. Now let me do convert this. So we can convert, save and refresh. So sorry, this one str. So now here you can see our string converted to an object. So in this way you can convert to your string to object. So there are lots others properties of string also. So later I will explain when we will need REST functions, but these are the basic functions, so that's why I have explained. So hopefully you understood the basic properties of string data types. So thanks for watching, and if you have any question or suggestion, then please write comment below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.